Ever wonder why your stomach growls, especially when you're hungry? That rumbling noise has a name. It's called borborygmi. It happens when your stomach and intestines squeeze and push food, liquid, and gas through your digestive system. Even if your stomach is empty, these muscles still contract, mixing up leftover fluids and air, which makes that growling sound. When you're hungry, the sound gets louder because there's nothing to muffle the noise. So next time your stomach talks in a quiet room, just remember, it's normal and it means your gut is doing its job. Follow for more 1-Minute Science.